Video 4, substitution. So with substitution, you'll be given values for the variables. You'll be given some sort of equation or algebraic expression, and what you're going to do is take out each of those variables and put in the given numbers instead of them. So in the first case, a plus b plus c, instead of the a, I put in -1. Instead of the b, I put in 2, and instead of the c, I put in 4. Once the substitution is complete, it's a bird mass question. In this case, I just need to add and subtract. So -1 plus 2 is 1, plus 4 is 5. And that's the answer. Second one, make a substitution. That's a by b by c. Just get that thing in focus. A by b by c. So we're multiplying a by b by c. Make a substitution. -1 by 2 by 4. It's a bird mass question. Minus by plus is a minus. And then that minus by another plus is a minus. And then 1 by 2 by 4 is 8. So the answer is -8. Okay, here make your substitution. And this is -3 by a by b squared. So the b is squared only. The a is not squared. So make your substitution. Now I can change the brackets. I can change where they are. And it'll mean the same thing. So like I said, the b was squared, but the a isn't. And it's a bird mass question. So we do the squared thing first. Again, I can put different brackets in different places here. It means the exact same thing. Now I do the multiplication. Minus by minus is a plus, and that plus by another plus gives me a plus. And when you multiply the numbers, you get 12. That's done. All right, the last one is a bit more engaging. So make your substitution. That's a by b. So if it's a by b, make sure they're in brackets. And then when we get that, the answer to a by b has to be squared. Now we're adding on to that b minus c, and the answer to that has to be squared as well. Well, b minus c is 2 minus 4. That has to be squared. All right, like I said, it's a bird mass question. The first thing you need to do before doing the indices is get a single term in the square root in the brackets. So that will be -2. And this thing will also be -2, because 4 minus 2 is -2. Square that. -2 by -2 is +4, because you've got a minus by a minus. And then here, it's the same thing, +4, plus by plus is a plus. Gives you 8 as the answer.